How to find events near you on Ticketmaster. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you want to find event near you, launch a Ticketmaster application or check out the Ticketmaster website. At the very top, you will see a dialog box with current location, in which you can type in your location and Ticketmaster will enlist all of the events happening near you. Or in your homepage, you can find some of the trending concert or event as well. So if you find any of this event interesting to you, you can just click on the event. To get yourself your ticket, you can tap on the ticket details, or you can just tap on the buy option. After you have successfully purchased your ticket, you can add to your wallet either Apple Wallet or Google Wallet for easy access during your event. So that is how you find an event near you on Ticketmaster. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.